Hola amigos! Today we are going to complete and submit our documentary project. So, on our Canvas page, I'm going to find the assignment that says I-1 Documentary Project. Alright, you will be recording a Flipgrid for your documentary project. The final score for your project will be here on Canvas. I'm going to click the link that says Flipgrid link here. I'm going to click Record a Response. I'm going to join with Google. Oh, hello, it's me. All right, I'm going to click on Options and click Record Screen. Okay, so before I start screen recording, I'm going to open up my slides. So this is my slideshow that I have already created and submitted on Canvas. Okay, I'm ready to record. I'm going to click Start Screen Recording. Chrome tab, Spain slide. As soon as I hit share, it's going to start recording, so I'm just going to get ready really quick. You can get rid of the video in the corner. I don't want to see my face. It's going to distract me. You can feel free to leave it there or get rid of it. All right. I'm ready to record. Hola amigos, me llamo Katie Leonard. Bienvenidos a España. España tiene una montaña, un océano y una playa. A notable person of Spanish descent is Gina Torres. Gina is an American actress of Spanish and African descent. She has appeared in Suits, Firefly and Serenity, Gossip Girl, Revenge, and Westworld. Gina Torres won the Alma Award for Outstanding Lead Actress in a Syndicated Drama Series. Una cena típica española es paella. Tiene mariscos, carne, arroz y vegetales. A popular festival in Spain is La Tomatina. La Tomatina is the world's largest food fight, in which participants throw squashed tomatoes at each other. La Tomatina takes place in August in Buñol, Spain. This festival is celebrated by townspeople and tourists from all over the world. No one knows the actual origins, but it is said that it started as a religious event that broke out into a fight. After the festival, there is a huge party. Un artista famoso de España es Pablo Picasso. Pablo Picasso es un pintor. Picasso was born in 1881 in Malaga, Spain, and died in 1973. One of his most famous works of art is Guernica, painted in 1937. Un autor famoso de España es Miguel de Cervantes. Cervantes was born near Madrid on September 29, 1547, and died in Madrid on April 22, 1616. He published Don Quixote, his most famous work, in 1605, and again the second part in 1615. Before becoming a writer, Cervantes served in the Spanish military, where he was injured and kidnapped during his time served. Here we have some beautiful pictures of Spain. Thank you for watching my documentary, and gracias! All right, so I've pressed stop recording. I'm going to press the back arrow. Oh, hello, it's me again. I'm going to press next, where I am able to edit. I can trim, edit, and add more to my video. So you can watch your video to make sure everything looks and sounds all right. You can use these handles to trim it shorter or cut out any mistakes that you may have made. Once you're happy, you can click confirm. And next, my display name is Catherine L. That's fine. Let's click submit. All right, so we can copy and paste this direct link. Right here, I'm going to submit the assignment. Oh, I'm going to go to website URL, paste in my URL that I just copied, and then I'm going to submit the assignment. All right, friends, we did it. We have completed our I-1 interim assessment, the documentary project. Congratulations!